Namaskar. My paper is related to knowledge sharing, collaboration between universities and industrial organizations. In Vedas, there is one slok. न चोरहार्यम न च राजहार्यम न भ्रातृपाज्यम न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम विद्याधनम सर्वधने प्रधानम. Vidya means knowledge. As you consume or spend, it increases. As you share, it expands. No one can steal it. Not authority can snatch. Not divided in brothers. It's the best property among all the properties anyone can have. What is knowledge sharing? To share knowledge means to learn, understand, extend, and repeat the information, the ideas, the views, and the resources which with each other connected with on a specific ground. If we both exchange 1 rupee coin, we both have 1 rupee each. But if we exchange one good thought, we both have two good thoughts. If you share 1 rupee with me, you will lose something and I will gain something, but the rupee will be divided. If you share knowledge with me, we both will gain something and the knowledge of both of us will be increased. This is knowledge sharing. Collaboration for knowledge sharing between universities and industrial organizations. For policymakers, it is very much essential to invent new ways to establish a proper knowledge sharing system. The research work is a continuous process on various levels at many places simultaneously. In any subject or any field, day by day knowledge is adding new dimensions from the corners of the world. Every year, a number of students take admission in universities. Some of them comes in front line and starts research work in their particular subject. Mostly the research work done at this level lies in the thesis in university libraries. Most important is to expose these works. The concept of collaboration for research work is not new. Many countries like UK, Germany, the US, France and Japan, Canada, Brazil, South Africa are involved in these kind of collaborations on international levels also. However, for India, we have not done much more in this field. Needs for collaboration. Knowledge which is generated in research works at university level lies in thesis unused in libraries to pull out the knowledge from thesis. In universities, research work goes on and on haphazardly without any specific direction to give a specific direction to it, to take forward the knowledge from wherever it is. Research work is going on and on in every university without proper coordination to avoid reinventing and repetition of research work. By getting a perfect direction, research work will be done more speedily. Knowledge will grow faster, which is very much essential for knowledge society. To get fresh and pure knowledge directly from universities for industries. To reduce the time for research at the industrial level. Collaboration policy. Objectives, context, participants, processes, privacy and rights, motivation, resources. Objectives. To clear the objectives for which both the enterprises and universities have joined hands. Context. Research work should be developed in a context of creation and application of knowledge. To reflect that knowledge is developed collectively and the distribution of knowledge leads to its continuous change, reconstruction and application in different contexts by different participants with differing backgrounds and experiences. Participants, research students and subject experts at university level and experts and employees who have practical working knowledge and experience at the other end. Processes. The research work should be developed to support and enhance knowledge intensive processes, tasks or projects. Its creation, construction, identification, capturing, acquisition, selection, valuation, organization, linking, structuring, formalization, visualization, transfer, distribution, retention, maintenance, refinement, revision, evaluation, accessing, retrieval, and last but not least, the application of knowledge. The whole work as a knowledge life cycle. Privacy and other rights. To keep the methods and materials and the progress of work top confidential between collaboration parties only. All rights should be reserved for enterprises if it is supported financially by them. Motivation. Researchers should be encouraged by enterprises to interact, to work together on projects and share their ideas. Resources. Financial resources, human capital resources, physical resources, organizational resources. Financial resources, government support. Sometimes government supports the research work at university level. Recently, Government of India has allotted grant of 600 million rupees to support the research works and to increase 5 times the number of researchers in universities in coming 10 years. Research students should be supported financially by firms in the form of stipends, fellowships, and scholarships. Human capital resources. The experts and employees of the firm and students, subject experts, lecturers, readers, and professors of the university. Physical resources, laboratories, libraries, departments of the university, and plants, equipments, technologies, locations, and raw materials of the firm. Organizational resources, the firm's organizational structure, planning, controlling and coordinating systems, and culture. Role of university library in this type of collaborations. The role of university library is much more important in this type of collaboration. The university librarian will be overall in charge of the project. He will act as the link between the university departments and the industrial firms. He will work as the knowledge manager during the process. Whole work will be done as a knowledge life cycle. As you can see, the work will be start with research students and subject experts. They will generate the knowledge. Knowledge generation will be started from there. And then experts of the firm who will execute the knowledge, workers on practical ground, and they will utilize the knowledge, and feedback will be given to university librarian. He will give the feedback to researchers, and whole work will be done by centering university library, and the knowledge life cycle will be moved on and on. Benefits of collaboration. Sharing of valuable knowledge can avoid reinventing the wheel, reducing redundant work, may reduce the cost for inventions, creation of knowledge with the help of experts and experienced persons. By giving a right direction to the enthusiastic, intelligent students, making them experts of future. Which kind of change industrial firms wanted, which kind of problems they are facing, and to solve it, which kind of research works they are expecting from the university will be cleared well in advance. The firms will inform university, and university will frame the research work as per the needs to fulfill the aim. Any kind of the problem arise will be solved at the primary level, which will save the time, money, and manpower. Library is the heart of the university. University libraries are the treasure house of the knowledge. By involving enthusiastic, fresh and intelligent youth in research works, universities and enterprises can contribute in economic, scientific, technical and social development of the country. There is a distinct need to explore the knowledge lying in university thesis. By involving the industrial organizations, centering the university library in collaborations, a knowledge life cycle can be moved on and on. And thank you.